Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Soha Amir and my topic of presentation is Women Rights in Pakistan. Introduction. Allah Ta'ala says in the Quran, the first female Eve was born to a male Adam, who is origin of human race. Then it went forth from these two and hence the Creator multiplies the males and females on the earth. The Constitution of Pakistan guarantees the right of women and do not discriminate in any sphere of life. The basis of Pakistan Constitution in Islam, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has secured the rights of women for 1400 years ago. Who is woman? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that women are indeed men's partner. A woman can be a sister, mother, daughter, or a wife, according to Islam. Islam guarantees an adult woman to marry according to her will. Even parents cannot force her to marry against her choice. Women rights. Today in Pakistan history, the rights of women are being denied and exploited. In gender equality, the rights of men and women are same, and hence Constitution of Pakistan declared in the Ains. But before that, make it clear what are women universal rights. In Article 25 of 1 of 1973 Constitution of Pakistan states, all citizens are equal before law and are entitled to equal protection of law. In Article 25 of 2 states, there shall be no discrimination on the basis of sex alone. How are women's rights violated? Despite in the fact that in universal protection of Islam and Constitution of Pakistan, women are being abused by some hateful behavior in our society. There are some factors which are mentioned on next slide. Number 1, discriminatory laws. Politics in Pakistan is a game of holding power and doing everything, whether it is right or wrong. In order to secure their power, women have been victims of such political game. It also includes gender discrimination and sexual orientation. Number 2, heinous customs. Karokari is one of those customs related to zina in typical Baradari and caste system of the society, especially in rural areas. If a woman want to marry with her choice and outside to other family, but their family killed her because they do not like these customs. Number 3, violence and exploitation. It includes gender-based violence, sexual violence, and domestic violence. The woman is raped by culprit people as a revenge. The woman is abused by throwing acid on her body, burning and beating her cruelly because for not having a baby boy. Number 4, less rights in education. Being a female, mostly in tribal and rural areas, does not allow her to go out to get education. In typical society, the people thought it is a Western culture to make their women liberal. Number 5, health issues. Mostly women have no choice of right to decide the number of babies to be have. In case of medical emergency, female doctors are not available in the hospital, so people do not allow her to get checked by male doctors. As a result, thousands of women die due to these reasons. Number 6, trafficking. The illegal way of transport and sale of human beings for the purpose of exploiting their labor. Women and small children are become the part of this victim. Number 7, dowry abuse. In Pakistan, dowry is the part of culture. Dowry abuse is a serious problem in our society that affects the life of women and girls. It is the demanding of money, goods, or assets from bride family to groom family. The common form include physical violence, martial rape, acid attacks, and wife burning. Number 8, denied a right in marriage. Women have no right to marry of her choice. Women are not allowed to marry outside the caste system of her family. Number 9, equal access in property in land. Right to land, right to property, and right to housing are essential part to women equality. But in rural areas, women are not given these rights, even the registration of property in the name of her father, brother, or husband. In the light of fundamental principle, a fundamental principle of UN Charter adopted by world leader in 1945 states, both men and women have equal rights. The state has a responsibility to protect and promote human rights. Status of women in Pakistan. They do not carry equal status at birth because the baby boys are always wished in the family of Pakistan. Women are thought as weak and less beneficial product to the family because they are supposed to take care of family. They are not supposed to ask for their property rights. In most families, their property rights are confiscated by force. They are not allowed to go out for the sake of enjoyment and leisure because they face security and honor threats. Divorced and widows have no respect in society unless they are rich and belong to rich family background. Heavy jewelry and rich clothes are the sign of dignity and respect of women. Incredible women of Pakistan. There are so many famous women in Pakistan which makes Pakistan proud across the globe, from politics to social group, from literature to showbiz, and from education to sports. Here are the name of famous women in Pakistan. Fatma Jinnah, Rana Liaquat Ali Khan, Benazir Bhutto, Bano Qussia, Noor Jahan, Abda Parveen, and Sharmeen Ubaid. Ways to empower women. There are so many ways to empower women are as follows: women mobility and social interaction, women labor patterns, women access to control over resources, women control over decision making, good education, self-employment, sufficient needs, women to develop, encourage women to develop in their field to make a good career. Efforts for working in women rights. There are two ways in working for women rights: NGOs and Protection Bill. NGOs. Women Action Forum was formed in Karachi in September 1981 in order to voice against brutalities of Hudud ordinances. Our foundation formed in 1986. APA and UNFA are also working for human rights protection bill. It is passed on November 15, 2006. It entails rape, criminal law, not Sharia law, require formal acquisition in court. Conclusion. In the end, I can say that please respect the woman, encourage the woman, treat them good, and educate her because these women can make our country proud across the globe. To make a Pakistan a good country, we can make our vision powerful where women enjoys her equal rights and respect, decision making, and also protection in the society. Human rights are women rights, and women rights are human rights. Let us not forget among those rights and a right to speak to and a right to speak freely and a right to be heard. There will be never be a new world order until women are a part of it. Thank you.